Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have a delicious recipe for you. Are you craving ice cream? Because I'm always craving ice cream. And today we have a delicious chocolate chip recipe for you. It is super easy to make. You don't need an ice cream machine or anything. It has simple ingredients and very easy to follow steps. So without any further ado, let's jump into our recipe. So guys, for our ice cream, the first thing we want to do is take a deep saucepan, and into that we're going to add in half a cup of milk, and then we're going to add in 4 cups of heavy cream. Next, we're going to add in one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and now give it all a nice little mix. Let the mixture sit on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to take 1 tablespoon of vanilla custard powder and mix it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and then we're going to add it into our ice cream base. Give it a nice whisk, and then we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of 100% unsweetened cacao powder. Give it all a nice little whisk until the powder is completely mixed into the base and it becomes a uniform mixture. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, and once again give it a nice whisk. Next, using a thermometer, we want to measure the temperature of our base because we want to turn it off when it reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This will help us develop a nice ice cream base that does not form crystals. Next, we're going to add in 3/4 teaspoon of agar. This is the vegetarian substitute for gelatin. Give it all a nice little whisk, and then allow your base to cool down completely for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to place the ice cream base in the fridge for at least 6 hours. This will ensure that there's no water crystals forming in the ice cream, and it will keep it nice and creamy. After about 6 hours, we're going to take it out of the fridge and we're going to pour it into a blender. Give it a quick 30 seconds to a minute blend. This will add air into the base. Now, we had pre-chilled a glass container in our freezer, and we're going to pour our ice cream base into our pan, and then we're going to place it into the freezer for a few hours or overnight. In the morning, we can take our set ice cream base out of the freezer, and we're going to toss it back into the blender and blend it up one more time to add air into our ice cream base again. And then we're going to take that blended base, put it back into the container, and back into the freezer it goes for another 4 to 6 hours. After this step, we're going to take it out of the freezer, give it one last blend, and after this step, we're going to place the ice cream base back into the freezer. However, before we do so, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of chocolate chips into our base and give it a nice little mix. Then once it is mixed, we can quickly level the ice cream base and place it back into the fridge and to set up so that it becomes our final ice cream treat. After the ice cream is set, we are ready to dig in, and we can grab ourselves a nice scoop of the delicious frozen treat that we have made for ourselves. So here we have our final result. It looks amazing and looks like something that you might even buy at the store. So let's see how it tastes. So guys, it's time to finally taste our amazing ice cream. I can't wait to dig in. Oh my god, guys. This is like heaven in a little bowl. It tastes so amazing. Way better than a lot of outside ice creams that you can get. I have to go in for a second bite. It's just melting in my mouth. It's so creamy, so delicious. You get the amazing chocolate chips. You guys need to try this recipe for yourself at home, because I know when you try it, you're gonna like forget about outside ice creams and you're gonna start making it home for yourself. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you for subscribing and liking our videos, and keep on cooking.